Are we going? Alright, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome back to Blue Jay's Very Animated Shorts. SpongeBob reference. Oh, a prop fell. Uh-oh. That's not good. I wish we could play Melon Sandbox. Oh look, Melon Sandbox. Wonder what happens if we touch it. Uh-oh. That's not good. Oh no! Jesus! Oh. So then, our hero went off from Stick Nodes Pro, filled with mods, over to Melon Sandbox, a game filled with ads. Just turn your internet off. This game will eat your battery faster than Stick Figure number 1 can eat a foot-long Subway. And trust me, that's less than 1 frame, which is impossible. So where should we go? Vote in the No, this isn't gonna be a part 1 or part 2. Anyways, sorry guys, that wasn't me. Place you down. Hey, it's me. Wait a minute. This isn't. Hey, excuse me, Blue Jay. I was supposed to be the handsome stick figure number 3 and not some freaking green thing. Hey, get off of me! What are you doing? Don't touch me. Hey! Oh, this is so boring around here. There's nothing to do. Infinity for miles! This is 2-dimensional. You were 2-dimensional before. Oh, yeah. Let's give him some stuff to play with. Like, how about Red from Angry Birds? He's not supposed to be here. What's he doing? Kick. I wouldn't do that if I were you. Ow. Sorry about that. You shouldn't kick him. There you go. Sorry about that, guys. So, what do you want to do now? I want some cake. Okay. Not, wait, what? Look, your new friend. Okay, that's a little bit weird. No, he should stay. No, I meant some cake. Num 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 num. Num num num.